Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to maintain leading zeros in telephone numbers in Excel. So typically when you enter a telephone number in Excel, it knocks off the leading zero because it stores the entry as a number or value that you can add or do subtraction with. To get around that, you can precede your entry with an apostrophe and then enter your number. Now, when you do that, Excel stores the number as a text, not as a value or a number you can add or subtract. So normally text entries are left aligned and then number entries are right aligned. So this is helpful when you're entering just a few telephone numbers. However, when you have a list of telephone numbers and you need to format to get leading zeros, you can highlight these numbers, press Ctrl 1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. So over here, what we are doing is to put in a custom format. So you come to Custom, and then to your right, you see Type. So clean the general you find there, and then in the type field, you put in 10 zeros. You are putting in 10 zeros to represent the number of strings in your telephone number. So Ghana typically has 10 numbers. So 10 zeros will fill up a leading zero to replace the 10th number. So this format will be good for a list of numbers. You could also do this with a formula. So if you have some numbers already, you can put in equal to text, select the number, bring a comma. After the comma, you need to indicate the type of formatting you are inputting here. So you bring a double quotation mark and put in 10 zeros like we did earlier. So this gives us the preferred leading zero. You drag down. Because this is formula driven, you need to take the formulas off. So we'll copy Ctrl C, Ctrl Alt V, space special. Then we select V or press V for values, and then you are able to override the formula. You can take off these green flags by just clicking in here and ignoring errors. It's just prompting you because the number is stored as a text. So 3 options: either you enter with an apostrophe, use Ctrl 1 Format Cells to put in the custom format, or use text to get your leading zeros. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays, or click subscribe on our YouTube channel. All our old videos are here, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.